Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Warning as damaging winds of up to 100 km per hour to smash southeastern states in Australia. Damaging winds are forecast to hit the nation's southern states over the coming days, with the locals warned to prepare for the severe weather. A series of powerful cold fronts are expected to move over the southeast, bringing wintry conditions, including rain, hail and snow. The weather warnings are expected to be issued for the weekend as temperatures are predicted to plummet, weather zones said. The front is pushing east from its origin in the Western Australia and is due to arrive on Thursday. Wind and showers will increase over South Australia before the second cold front arrives on Friday. Cold air behind the front will also produce small hail and highland snow in some areas, adding to wintry feel of this system. The front will cross the border of the South Australia on Saturday, bringing strong winds and potentially damaging gusts to the part of Victoria, Tasmania and New South Wales. Regions expected to face the severe weather include the Mount Lofty Ranges in SA, parts of the central Victoria and Blue Mountains and Illawarra Coast in the NSW. The system will likely impact the ACT between Friday and Sunday. The cooler conditions, which are set to arrive on Thursday, will be welcome change after a rare spotting of rain over NSW and ACT earlier in the week. A series of vigorous cold fronts will sweep across the southeast, generating heavy snowfalls, with the totals at high elevations likely to exceed 50 centimeters by Monday. A snowstorm is forecast to blast the alpine regions by Thursday, with up to 80 centimeters of the snow set to fall in the following days. However, a dumping of snowfall will set weekend skiers and snowboarders up for the bumper powder weekend. A chilly week is ahead for the residents of the Canberra, with the daytime temperatures dropping to a maximum of 13 degrees Celsius. An icy morning with the low of 1 degree Celsius is expected on Thursday. The cold front sweeping across the east coast will bring with them gusty winds of about 25 km per hour. The most powerful winds will arrive over the weekend with up to 40 km per hour gusts. A rainy and cold week ahead is forecast for the residents of the Melbourne, with the daytime temperatures unlikely to exceed 50 degrees Celsius for the next 7 days. Persistent showers and wind will remain consistent in the coming days, with the gusts of up to 45 km per hour expected on Thursday. Snow is forecast to fall over Mount Hotham Ski Resort on Wednesday evening, setting the resort up for the powder conditions over the weekend. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.